everybody, what it do, man. If I haven't got a chance, man, to answer everybody's questions from yesterday, that's because I've been a little bit busy dealing with some family stuff, man, with sisters and brothers and all kind of other stuff I've been doing. So I mean, y'all know how that goes sometimes, but as soon as I get a chance later on this afternoon or something, I will be answering the questions back. So y'all please forgive me for the time being. Yeah, so it's a new day and a brand new dollar, man. Gotta make another chick holler, you heard me? We're gonna see if this body's gonna come off of here. Watch it move. How you make that come off. Gotta be aggressive with it, man. Can't be like no little old girl. Man, put some muscle to it, man. Y'all know what time it is with me, man. Oh, I'm always doing something totally different. It is what it is, baby. Man, I hate these all-wheel drives. Jesus, man, these things are a pain to take apart. It is what it is. There go the motor right there. Y'all, easy as pie, man. I had these things done here, man, in under a couple of minutes, man. Does not take me long to take apart any motor. Doesn't matter what it is. Does not take me long at all, man. Got that room I've been looking for. I got some elbow room. Hello, elbow room. Alright, man, I will holler back at y'all, man. Peace.